Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. Ring, ding, 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 I'm on. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Say hello, everyone. Oh, why? You gonna go down? Say good morning. Oh no. You're making a mess. Making a mess today. Be nice to the guys. Be.
Say hello.
Good morning. Happy Monday.
She's trying to laugh because she thinks it's not Monday.
Yeah.
Daddy.
Daddy. Yes. I know. You helping me?
Because my camera
Amazing.
and my fluffy, but she created on this part.
Alright, Ayla. This is for your school. I'll put it in your bag, okay? In your bag. Give it to your teacher.
Yeah, what is it? Order.
For artwork. Christmas artwork you're making. Good morning, my beautiful bee. Yes. You finished your food. Amazing. You want brownie for school, boys? How about you, Ayla? Do you want brownies? For lunch? Put in your lunchbox? Or no? No? That's okay. I'll eat it. Napakalaking strawberry. Hindi. Actually, do you want me to put this in the front pocket of your bag so you see it? Or just here on the side? Yeah. Give it to Mrs. Coles, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Who made a mess? Who made a mess? You made a mess, baby. Did my baby make a mess? Do you want this, Milky? Yeah. Uh-oh. More mess. Did you make a mess today? Oh my gosh, baby, you're getting heavy. Oh, hello everyone. I'm Didi. Yeah. No, mommy needs to use this for mommy's hair. Oops. Good morning. We will get ready kasi aalis kami ni Di. Punta kami ni Di sa Burnside Village. I will do the teacher's presents shopping today. Next week na kasi yung last day of school, guys. Next week, Wednesday, sa school nila, Ayla and Arlo. So, Tuesday will be Arlo's last day of school, and Wednesday is Ayla's last day of school. Tuesday for Arlo kasi Monday at saka Tuesday lang yung school niya. I need to do it now because we will be busy. If I don't do it now, baka hindi ko na siya magawa or it will be really tight. Yung days na lang na meron ako to do it is today or tomorrow, but we will do it today. Yes! You excited to go shopping? Yeah! Okay, shopping. With Mama. Yes.
Deal.
For D? No, I think D's got everything. Kasi wala kami dito sa weekend. Meron kaming bigla ang lakad sa weekend. Labas ko lang yung mga kailangan ko. Okay. By the way, tignan niyo yung buhok ko. Last time na nagpagupit ako, kapag hindi ko siya style, wala akong ginawa, naka-fly away yung buhok ko. Naalala niyo? Ngayon hindi siya nag-fly away. I washed it last night and just put my serum, just let it air dry, and ganito yung itsura niya. Noon kasi nagpa-fly away siya. So, sobrang nipis niya tingnan kasi nagpa-fly away siyang ganyan sa baba. Isi-straight ko pa rin siya today kasi ang gulo-gulo niya tingnan. Like yung dito, see? Yung ganyan. Yung mga bagong tubo natin, mga stubborn na mga bagong hair. Magbihis kaya muna ako, be. Bihis muna ako, guys. Tapos ayusin ko yung aking buhok. Yeah! Oh, you opened it! Oh, strong, baby! Very strong! Wow! A strong baby. Whoa! Oh, no! Is that for you, Didi? Is that for my Didi? Oh, ba! Pika! Ba! You happy today, Didi? You happy today? Happy mo, ang dami mong kinalat na naman. Makalat na baby Didi. Who's a makalat Didi? You are. Is this nice? Yeah? Mas copy serum muna ako, ha? Dang, paubos na naman to, be. Didi? Di, ang gulo na natin dito, di. Ready? Ready, beautiful? Yes! Hindi ko siya binigyan ng dami kasi ayoko siyang matulog muna. Para doon na lang siya matulog. Deal or no deal? In this bag, in this water, we are good. Yeah, I got everything, baby. Play A Beautiful Blur on Spotify.
Here's A Beautiful Blur by Lainey on Spotify.
Thank you.
I don't hate you, but the way you just grip my heart, break my heart. 날 무너지게 해. And you might be 여는 널 위한 데려가. 이젠 아까워. Oh, I never wanted what it is to be like this. I never wanted what it to leave.
We're here. And maraming car park available. Beautiful. Ay, ang perfect. Napaka-perfect. Beautiful. Nasa harap tayo, as in sobrang harap ng elevator. Hi, D. Good job staying awake, D. Okay, so the goal today is to go to Mecca, get the teacher's present. That's it, really. I know. Just wait. I got you, baby. Don't cry. I'm here. I'm gonna catch you now. Hello. We're at the shops again with Mama. Okay. Pika. Boop. Pika. Boop. Good job. You want your dum-dum? Bobby. Say hi. Hello, I'm going shopping today.
That's all I wanted. 끝에서 진 너의 향기 내일이면 사라질걸 그렇게 날 털어낼게 I know I deserve it. I don't hate you, but the way you just grip my heart, break my heart 날 무너지게 해 When you might be 너는 널 위한 데려가 이젠 아까워.
Baka ito na lang yung bilhin ko, itong mga set. So, inaamoy ko sila. Mabango tong Chirosa. Ito din, mabango din. Ah, Chirosa. Chirosa lahat? Ah, okay. 48, 40. Tapos, merong naka-trio. Oh my gosh, mabango lahat, di. So, yung trio, 48. Yung apat. Kung apatin ko, meron akong isa para sa akin. Pero I'm thinking maybe mga ganito din. Kasi meron ng cream, shower gel. Eh, meron din silang ganyan lang. Cream lang at saka shower gel. I mean, mist at saka shower gel. Meron din ganitong malaki. Wait.
Oh, I never wanted us to be like this. I never wanted was you. All I ever wanted was to be myself. That's all I wanted.
Smell this one before. Mabango to. So yellow. It smells so good indeed. May Kerastase din dito. Pero nag-order na ako nito online, guys. Kasi naka Black Friday sale. Dito hindi naka-sale. In-order ko siya sa Kerastase mismo. I think okay na ako dito, guys. Pinili ko na lang yung mga naka-pack. Para dire-diretso na. Hindi. Gising ka pa din. Yeah.
Yellow one's in the yellow bag.
Oh,
The other
thanks.
one's going to be in this sleeve.
Appreciate that. Tapos na. Ang cute. And we are here. Bakit na tayo napunta dito? You're still awake. We're almost finished here. You want this? Okay. Dito kami sa fitting room ng Zara. Oh my goodness. Gusto ko tong top na to. Bagay siya sa suot ko ngayon. Ito yung from Witchery. Hindi siya crop. Pero perfect siya pang tuck-in. Halang ganda. Ang ganda ng fit. This is a fit already. Ang ganda nito.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Ang basic top lang nila, guys. I love it. Ano ba yan? So So, same to nung black top na gusto ko kanina. Cream naman siya. And it looks good with these jeans. Ano ba yan? Dito na ako sa men's perfume. Ang bango-bango nito. Bilisan ko yung boys. Kaya lang 3 sila. Isa pala yung nakakita ko. Ang bango niyan. Vibrant Leather Elixir. Tinry ko to. Mas mabango yun. I-try natin to. Let's go home. Nakabili ako ng perfume ng boys. So, it's good. Let's go home. Oh my goodness, you guys. Kaloka sa Zara. So, diba nag-vlog ako, sabi ko, pauwi na kami kasi tapos na, o diba? Naka-open yung likod. Anyway, back sa story ko. Nag-vlog ako, pababa na ako kasi tapos na ako magbayad. Sa taas ako nagbayad din. Nandun yung kids section. Eh, nagbayad ako dun kasi walang tao. Tapos pagbaba ko palabas, it beeped! Eh, naiinis ako kapag mga ganyang nangyayari na alam mo namang wala ka namang ninakaw pero nag-beep. Tapos sabi niya, saan mo to binayaran? Sabi ko, sa taas. Sabi niya, kailangan mong bumalik sa taas para ma-disable nila yung alarm. Sabi ko, okay. Kasi nag-alarm talaga siya eh. Sabi nila na may ninakaw ako. And pagbalik ko sa taas, dun sa area kung saan ako nagbayad, sabi ko, nag-beep siya sa baba. Sabi nung babae, kailangan mo daw tong i-disable yung alarm nito. Tapos sabi niya, kasi nakita niya ako nung nagbayad ako eh. Sabi niya, no, you're fine. Like, you paid for it, so you're good. Sabi ko, it's gonna alarm again. Paki-disable na lang. Kasi alam kong binayaran ko siya. Alam ko, it's on my receipt. Kaya lang, nag-beep talaga siya eh. So, ano magagawa natin? Tas parang bago yun siya. So, hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin. Sabi niya, no, you'll be fine. Just let it beep. Sabi niya. Sabi ko, kakaloka naman. Akala ng mga tao, may ninakaw ako dito. So, pumunta ako sa kabilang section. Same floor. Pumunta ako sa men's section. And nagtanong ako dun sa ibang staff. Sabi ko, pwede paki-disable ito kasi nag-alarm siya sa baba. Tapos again, pinakita ko na naman yung receipt. So for some reason, yung jeans na binili ko guys, na binayaran ko na kasi nasa receipt ko na siya, it's showing up as not paid. Na nasa system pa din nila kahit na again binayaran ko na siya. So it took them a long time. Ako napacheck ako sa prom ni Indy. Sabi ko, may ninakaw ba ako? Alam mo yun? Napacheck ako sa suot ko. Sabi ko, suot ko ba yung jeans? Kasi natataranta ka. But they were really good. They were reassuring me na, oh, it's not your fault. It's just that it is showing up on the system as this and that. So, nakailang staff ako, nakatatlong staff ako na hindi nakatulong sa akin. Kasi kapag nilagay nila yung jeans sa counter, sa payment counter, it's showing up as not paid. Pero my receipt is clearly showing na it's paid. Like exactly the same price, exactly the same code, like exactly the same. Kasi yun yung skinan ko. And then naalala ko, sabi ko, nung nilagay ko siya, the jeans showed up as 2 jeans. And because isa lang yung jeans na bibilhin ko, and isa lang yung nilagay ko talaga, inex ko lang yung isa. Inex ko lang, and binayaran ko yung items. Kasi obviously, I'm not gonna pay for 2 kung isa lang yung nandun. Tapos itong babaeng to, she's very helpful. She's like, oh yeah, for some reason, it's just showing as not paid. So baba tayo, okay lang ba sa'yo? Sabi ko, okay lang, doon din naman ako dadaan sa baba. Doon din ako galing. Pinaakyat lang ako dito. So, nung papunta na kami sa baba, may nakita siyang parang ahead sa kanya na staff. Sabi niya, oh, can you help us with this? Like, you know, the receipt is showing it's paid, but the system is showing na it's not paid, ganun-ganun. So, again, kapag nag-show yung system na hindi siya paid, magbi-beep talaga siya paglabas mo. Very sensitive ng system nila eh. So, hindi ka talaga makakanakaw doon. Kahit nga hindi ka nagnakaw, para kang nagnakaw. Dahil na over naman sa alarm. So, the guy na tumulong sa amin found out na the jeans were double alarmed. I don't know why did they do that. Pabalik-balik siya sa receipt ko. Chinek niya every single number. Same code. Sabi ko, same code. Kasi yan talaga yung nilagay ko. But I just let them do their thing. Tapos sabi ko, sus, kapag ako natagalan pa dito, siguro I was there for like good 30 minutes, guys. Finally, na-found out ng lalaki na double alarmed nga siya. So, kinailangan pa niyang like kumuha ng staff code para matanggal yung alarm. Tapos alam mo na ano, na wala na okay na eh. Like, from the beginning, okay naman talaga, nabayaran mo na lahat. Natatakot akong lumabas kasi baka mag-alarm na naman. Ay, nako, naiinis ako sa mga ganyan talaga. Ang lakas pa naman ng alarm ng Zara. So, nung nag-alarm talaga siya, umatras ako. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, what is it? Akala ko merong, alam mo yung tag na hindi, alam mo yung metal tag? Akala ko may ganun yung isa sa mga items ko. Tapos wala. So sabi ko, maybe the perfume? Kasi bumili ako ng 3 perfume eh. Sabi ng babae, no, it's not. Just go back upstairs and have them like disable the alarm. Akala ko ganun ng kadali. Pero nakakaloka. Anyway, it's all good. Paglabas ko talaga ng Zara, diretso akong Sushi Hub and then Tony and Marks. Tapos yeah, diretso na sa car. Parang nung sinabi ko na pauwi na ako, mga 11:30 pa lang yun. Ngayon, 12:22 na, guys. Ngayon lang ako nasa road. Plano ko, oh, anyway, it doesn't matter now. Sabi ko yung plano ko sana, umalis before 12. Oh well. Luckily, Indy was asleep the whole time. The whole time na nagtatry silang i-disable yung double alarm ng jeans. My goodness. Yung babae, ang nice niya. Sabi niya, yeah, sabi ko sa kanya, umano na lang siya, pumunta na lang siya dun kasi bayad niya naman yan. Sabi niya sa akin, may pagka-savage yung isa kasi sabi niya, okay lang yan, mag-beep, binayaran mo naman yan. Ayaw niya i-find out kung anong nangyayari, gusto niya lang, bayad naman yan, umalis ka dun. Kapag umalis talaga ako, tapos sinayaan ko lang yung beep, sa system nila talaga, ninakaw ko talaga yun. Kasi sa system nila, it's showing up as ano talaga eh, I'm not paid. Like, yung mga items kasi kapag nabayaran mo na siya, tapos nilagay mo ulit sa counter, hindi na siya mag-show up kasi nabayaran mo na siya eh. So, nire-remove na siya sa system. Kaya siya hindi nabibip. So, yung akin, kahit nabayaran ko na, paglagay mo sa counter, nag-show up pa din siya. Kasi double tag pala siya, double alarm. That makes sense. Nung paglagay ko sa kanya, 2 yung nag-show up. Isa nga lang siya. So, in-next ko. So, if it happens to you, sa Zara na mga automated, checkout, kapag nag-show up ng 2 guys, tapos isa lang yung item na in-order nyo, ay, ipa-check nyo agad or i-cancel nyo na lang, palitan nyo na lang ng iba kasi double alarm siya. And yeah, kailangan pa nilang i-disable. For some reason, nasa isip ko, ang bilis lang i-disable nung alarm. Diba? Ang tagal. Napakatagal. Kasi yung mga regular staff, hindi nila alam kung ano nangyari. Hindi nila alam kung bakit bayad siya sa receipt. Tapos nandun pa din siya sa system. Yung naka-find out na double tag pala siya is yung sa parang systems manager talaga. So yeah, kapag nangyari yun sa inyo, wag na lang. Iwasan nyo yung mga nag-show up ng 2 items kahit isa lang yung nilagay nyo. It's such a hassle. Inisip ko kung ito nangyari ng 2:00, tas kailangan ko nang i-pick up yung mga anak ko, ay, naku naman talaga. Pero kanina, it was really nice kahit na sobrang inconvenient sa akin. I was like thanking everyone. Thanks for your help, kahit hindi naman naka-help. But you know, being kind is good. It makes you feel good. So, Kahit na minsan ikaw na yung naagrabyado, kain pa din ikaw. Ay nako. Kahit ikaw na yung nasayangan ng oras, be kind pa din. Let's eat. Bumili akong sushi from Sushi Hub. So I got my favorite spicy salmon nigiri and tuna sandwich. So, 3 salmon nigiri yung binili ko. 2 na lang natira. Hindi na ako nakahintay. Kinain ko sa car. Alright. So, binan nila yung fish na soy sauce. Pero, plastic din naman to. Wala nang fish soy sauce dito sa mga nagbebenta ng sushi. Masam? Avocado, yummy. Good job. Good eating. You want rice? Yeah? I'll give you rice. Good job. Yum. Sarap na salmon. Oh. Sorry. Good job. Alright, so sa Zara, ito yung jeans na parang buang talaga. Ewan ko dun, guys. Anyway, I got this. So, ngayon, size 12 to 13 na ako sa Zara. Kasi meron na silang na-add na size 12 to 13. Noon kasi 11 to 12, tapos 13 to 14. Ngayon, may 12, 13 na. And then, the top! The basic top! My goodness! Puro na lang tayo basic tops. But it looks really good. Sa jeans na suot ko ngayon. So, I got it in black and in cream. And I checked the material then. It's 93% cotton, 7% elastane. Perfect. And then I got 3 perfumes para sa boys. Ito yung akala kong nag-beat. This smells really good. Ito yung Bogus Vibrant Leather Elixir. Smells really good. And then they have the Extreme as well, which smells good as well. And then I got this one, the black edition for him. So, tigi-isang boys. Pareho ba silang 100 ml lahat? Amuyin nyo to. Kung naghahanap kayo ng perfume for men, this smells really good. Yung Elixir. Sobrang bango niya. Yung Vibrant Leather Elixir. From Mecca, naka-beauty look na naman ako. Ang ganda ng packaging! Bait-bait nung babae dun kasi she made it really organized for me. So, iniba-iba niya yung kulay ng bags. Minatch niya sa kulay nung set na binili ko. So, ito yung yellow, ito yung pink, ito yung blue. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-pick kasi inano niya din, nirap niya din sa nice tissue paper. Ang galing. So, ito na yun. Ito na yung pangregalo. Ang perfect, diba? And then, it comes with a card as well na, again, iba-iba. Like, this one's got yellow. So, ilagay mo lang sa likod to and from. So, next week na yan ipamimigay. And then, yeah, meron akong bonus dahil naka-reach ata ako ng specific spend. Nirapan niya para sa akin. Makeup Beauty Loop, level 2. Level 2. Hindi ako masyadong bumibili dun, guys. Oh, Sol de Janeiro din! Ay! Oh, this is nice! Ayan! Uy, maganda yung level 2 nila. Hindi ko na-expect na ito din. Yan. At saka, body butter. Oh my gosh, this is perfect for our weekend trip coming up. Ang liit lang. So, blue yung body butter. Tapos, ay, ang perfect! Ang perfect, babe! Ay, ang galing naman ng kanilang level 2. Ito yung my caramel. Sa Tony and Marks, bumili lang ako guys ng ampalaya, zucchini, and kamates. Mag-edit ako guys! Will you let me edit? Vlogmas na pala guys! December 1 na. Alam nyo bang, na-edit ko na yung mga videos na ma-upload tonight at saka bukas. Tapos, kinailangan ko siyang balikan pinalitan ko yung intro kasi meron na akong Vlogmas intro and outro eh. Pinalitan ko siya. Kasi sabi ko, December 1 pala siya ma-upload. So, Vlogmas na. So, pinilitan ko siya kanina. Pero na-upload yun mga ilang araw na ago. Nakaschedule lang kasi yan. So, na-upload ko na siya. Kung may ma-edit na ako, tapos sinischedule ko. Tapos, yeah. Thumbnail all done. Inano ko lang, pinalikan ko lang yung intro. So, inedit ko siya ulit. Pinalitan ko yung intro at saka outro. But it's all good. We are back in the car. Time to pick up Ate and Quiz. How was school, Ayla?
Good.
Good. How was school, Alo? Dod. Very dod.
6 minutes.
6,
I know. 6, 7. You know she's 6, 7? Nanny. She
Yeah.
is 67.
That's right.
I know. 6, 7.
No, no. Alo got a present from school.
Me, why did he get it?
I don't know. Maybe the teachers gave it to him.
I thought I'm being ready door.
Oh, because you're being really good.
My teacher
It's so
knows.
cute.
This is our daughter's door. And it's a present on the teacher. Give it to me. And so, lost one.
Just one? Really?
Yeah.
What else is inside? How about your Play-Doh?
Lost one.
Okay.
And bye-bye. And then there's...
Yeah, look, pretty. What's Alo's? Look at this. This is Alo.
Yeah.
Play-Doh and this. He made it in school. That is so cool. That's amazing. Well done, Kois.
Yeah.
Guys, I am getting the food ready. Dinner at saka mag-iimbak na din ako. So, schnitzel at saka chicken tenders. I'm doing the chicken tenders now. Yung mga schnitzel tapos na nandito na siya. Lalagay ko lang yan siya sa papel. Tapos, lalagay ko sa freezer. Kasi meron akong dalawa doon for me and Dan tonight. And then, I have chicken tenders for the kids. Ayan din, iimbak ko din yung iba niyan. At yung iba lulutuin ko for tonight. So, yung ginawa ko is, yung sa schnitzel is normally yung crumbs. I mean, yung breadcrumbs. Tapos, yung ginawa ko sa chicken tenders, tinry ko yung iba, breadcrumbs nandito. Tapos, yung iba, cornflakes, guys. Lagyan ko ng cornflakes. And feeling ko parang ang sarap nito, ang crunchy nito. Malapit na ako matapos. Ito na lang, konti na lang. Ubusin ko lang tong cornflakes and then breadcrumbs na yung iba. Lutuin ko lang to, guys. Yung sa pang kids. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's looking good. And it smells good as well. Ito yung cornflakes na coating. Parang ang sarap. Guys, ang sarap. Ang sarap. It looks really good. Tikman ko. Sarap niya tingnan. Look. Ang sarap. Walang joke. So good. Yeah. Ina-try ni Dan. Sabi ko ang sarap. That's the kids' dinner. So, they might not want this. Sweet and sour sauce. Or sweet chili.
Good. Yeah.
It's good, right? Yeah. Sarap niya, guys. Very good, yeah. Ito yung aking dinner. Chicken schnitzel. Walang rice. Lagyan ko lang yan ng sweet chili sauce.